Welcome to our channel. Today we'll take you on a peaceful journey into the world of Japanese garden design. We'll explore how traditional water features like the tsukubai and bamboo fountain can turn any space into a tranquil retreat. If you love the gentle garden water sound and want to create your own Zen escape, you're in the right place. Japanese garden design is more than aesthetics. It's about emotion, energy, and balance. A well-placed water feature introduces the calming sound of nature. The tsukubai, traditionally used in tea gardens, is not just a basin. It's a ritual of purification and mindfulness, reminding us to pause and connect with our surroundings. The tsukubai typically consists of a stone basin filled by a bamboo pipe. In Japanese garden design, water flows gently from the bamboo fountain into the tsukubai, creating a soft garden water sound. This sound forms the heart of a peaceful garden, inviting you to relax and breathe deeply. A bamboo fountain isn't just about looks, it's about rhythm. As water trickles and splashes, it becomes a natural metronome. This rhythmic garden water sound is central to Japanese garden design, especially when paired with the stillness of a stone tsukubai. It becomes a musical meditation. Let's talk materials. For an authentic tsukubai, choose natural stone, worn with texture. For your bamboo fountain, select untreated bamboo. It ages beautifully. These choices are vital in Japanese garden design. The water feature must blend with nature, not stand apart from it. Bamboo fountains can come in many forms. The most iconic is the shishio-doshi, a seesaw mechanism that fills with water and tips to strike a rock, creating a distinctive clack. This sound, set against gentle water flow, adds movement and contrast in Japanese garden design. The shishio-doshi was originally a device to scare away deer, but now it delights us with its rhythm. In Japanese garden design, it's used not just for its motion, but to punctuate stillness. The water feature becomes part of nature's choreography: pause, flow, sound. Do you want your bamboo fountain to be the centerpiece or a hidden gem? Japanese garden design plays with visibility. Some tsukubai are fully visible, others peek through leaves. The water feature doesn't always shout. It often whispers. Let discovery be part of the experience. Seasonality is important. In spring, new moss grows around your tsukubai. In autumn, bamboo leaves fall near your fountain. The garden water sound changes with each season. Japanese garden design embraces this impermanence as part of the beauty of the space. Rainfall enhances your water feature. As it taps on the tsukubai and rushes through your bamboo fountain, it deepens the garden water sound. Japanese garden design integrates rain as a gift, not a nuisance. Design your space to welcome rain, not resist it. Japanese garden design relies on asymmetry. Your sukubai and bamboo fountain don't have to be centered or perfectly aligned. Let nature guide their placement. A slightly off-center water feature surrounded by foliage creates a more natural rhythm, both visually and in garden water sound. A sukubai often includes a kake, the bamboo spout delivering water. Adjusting its angle changes the sound and flow. Japanese garden design is an art of nuance. A higher drop adds more splash. A lower drop softens the garden water sound. Experiment until it feels right. A sukubai often includes a kake, the bamboo spout delivering water. Adjusting its angle changes the sound and flow. Japanese garden design is an art of nuance. A higher drop adds more splash. A lower drop softens the garden water sound. Experiment until it feels right. Wind and water create harmony. If your bamboo fountain is near a bamboo grove or tall grasses, the rustle of leaves adds a whisper to the garden water sound. Japanese garden design seeks these natural harmonies, letting the elements compose the soundtrack of your retreat. In urban settings, Japanese garden design offers relief. Even in a concrete courtyard, a tsukubai and bamboo fountain bring calm. As you hear the garden water sound, the city noise fades. Your water feature becomes a personal sanctuary of sound and space. Thank you for joining us on this 30-minute journey through Japanese garden design with water features. We hope you feel inspired to create your own tsukubai, to build a bamboo fountain, and to welcome the garden water sound into your life. Until next time, may your garden be peaceful and your spirit refreshed.